Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? If you do, you're in the right place. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel right now. Back to the topic at hand, how to get more views on your YouTube channel. First tip, I'm going to be giving you guys 3 tips of how to get more views on your YouTube channel. Use thumbnails. It's generic, but I'll explain. Thumbnails are so effective, mostly because people want to click on a image that looks aesthetically pleasing, aka make a pretty picture. People respond to more colorful pictures or a more enhanced photograph. A software to edit thumbnails. And aren't they really pricey? No, they're not. I have a couple of solutions for you. So one's gonna be very expensive, one's gonna be very cheap. Just realize only in PCs. So here we go, guys. So guys, let's get it started out. The first one is going to be Adobe Photoshop. It's going to be the most amount of money, and it's worth it though, because you're going to make high quality videos and you just get the best editing software out there. Once you master the product you are using, like Photoshop, you will be amazing. Like now I can make a thumbnail, a really good thumbnail, in less than 30 minutes. Like a really good one. Like a really good one. My basic ones I put out mostly for every video. Maybe takes me about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes tops. So it's really quick. And then for live streams, it's 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes. So quick. Alright, so the second one I have is GIMP. On screen right now and in the description below for both of these products. GIMP. GIMP is free and it's just like Photoshop. I don't really have too much experience in GIMP because I just haven't used GIMP before. But my friend told me that he really loved GIMP, and he definitely recommends it if you don't want to spend a lot of money because you're new to YouTube. iOS and Android, I have 2 options. First of all, the first option is going to be Photoshop Touch, and that is for, of course, mobile. It is no longer like up, you can't buy it anywhere, but there's a link down in the description. If you click it, you can download it. It's totally safe, totally free. I haven't heard of anybody getting a virus from it, so make sure you go click the link down below if you want to check it out. And if you get a virus, again, it is not my fault. There is a possibility, but there's a possibility in anything you download. So then the second option is going to be PicArt. PicArt I've used since, I don't know, since I found it in 2017. So I've been using PicArt since up to 2019, and then I switched over to Photoshop. And it's been a great software, and if I didn't have Photoshop now, I'd still probably be using PicArt. It's a very great software. Highly recommend it if you would like a great editing software on mobile. Best editing software out there. I'm telling you. That will help you grow your YouTube channel and get you more views. Drumroll please. TUBEBUDDY. TUBEBUDDY is an extension to your web browser and offers you advice on growing your YouTube channel. Pull down option inside of YouTube, TubeBuddy offers you playlist, my videos, live streams, comments, subscribers, real-time analytics, extension tools. Also, as well, you get keyword explorer and you get topic planners. And also you get a tag list and the best time to publish a video. Again, back to what I was saying about the keyword explorer. Keyword Explorer gets you like the best ranking, so it will rank you up the best it can with the best topics you use. So all of these will really help you out. And again, I have a link down below in the description that will help you out and get you views on your YouTube channel. And I even have you 25% discount code down in the description from TubeBuddy, because they're my sponsor, because I love them and recommend them. I've been using them since 2017, and they've just helped me so much. And they sponsored me. Finally, got a sponsorship from them, guys. So make sure you go return some love, and you get some love back from TubeBuddy. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention this when I was recording with my big mic, but remember, I forgot to say, shout out to Mikey. Mikey, thank you so much for being a Patreon and donating money. Thank you.